In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and support.squarespace.com. We'll walk through a quick path that starts on Squarespace's main site and takes you straight into the Help Center, where you can open a key article about SEO. This is perfect if you're just getting started and want a reliable way to find authoritative guidance right from the source. First, head to Squarespace's Create Your Website page. This is the entry point for new sites, and it gives you the most up-to-date interface and navigation. Once you're there, take a moment to confirm you're on the official Squarespace domain so everything you see matches what I'm describing. Layouts can change over time, but you'll typically see a clear top navigation bar and promotional banners that guide new users. Next, click on Resources. You'll usually find this in the top navigation. Resources is Squarespace's hub for learning materials, guides, inspiration, and pathways into support. It's designed to help you build confidently and quickly, so it's a great place to start when you need reliable instructions or best practices. From there, choose Help Center. This takes you into the support portal, where you'll find searchable articles, tutorials, and troubleshooting steps written by Squarespace. It's organized to make answers easy to find, whether you're looking up a feature, a design setting, or a best practice recommendation. Look for the search bar at the top of the page. In the search field, type the word Highlight. The Help Center's search is flexible, so it will surface a variety of results that match or relate to your term. As you type, you might see suggestions appear below the box. Don't worry if the results list looks broad at first. Relevance improves as you refine your query or scan for the exact article title you need. Now, click on what Squarespace does for SEO. This article explains the platform's built-in search engine optimization features and how they work together behind the scenes. You'll learn about how Squarespace handles essentials like clean URLs, automatic sitemaps, SSL, mobile responsive design, and performance considerations. It also clarifies where your input matters most, such as adding descriptive page titles, headings, and image alt text. Use this article as a foundation to understand which optimizations are baked in and which elements you control, so you can prioritize the tasks that have the biggest impact on visibility. That's it. You've gone from the main Squarespace site, into resources, into the Help Center, searched using a simple keyword, and opened a core SEO article that will guide your next steps with confidence.